All right, when you're researching historical English beers, you're going to run into an ingredient that you're probably not familiar with and not going to be able to find at your local homebrew shop. And it's called inverts. Invert sugar, invert syrup, and it comes in a variety of colors. You can kind of think of it like the Belgian candy syrups that you're probably used to seeing that come in different grades of color as well. But the difference between Belgian candy syrup and English invert syrup is subtle, but when you're making Belgian candy syrup, you want to add an alkaline ingredient to the syrup to change the pH so it's a higher pH, closer to 10, which will create a lot of Maillard reactions when you're cooking it. Invert syrup, on the other hand, you add an acid to, and it makes a different type of syrup that has a little more of a fruit character, and it's kind of essential for recreating these English historical ales. Click the link below to learn more about historic beers and how to brew them.